Today's topic is urinary system.
Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss the last topic of Unit 1, urinary system, on page number 16. Students, urinary system makes sure that you have the right amount of water in your body, because urinary system based on the water that removes waste material in liquid form. It is a system that relates to the liquid form waste material that get tried from the body. Students, if you have right amount of water in your body, then your urinary system will work perfectly. Urinary system. It is a system of removing waste material in liquid form. Liquid form means urine. In your urinary system, two kidneys have, and its function is to filter the waste material, means removing waste material. Filter the waste material and get rid of it from the body. Students, urinary system have four main parts. First, kidney, that is the uppermost part of urinary system. Second, ureter. This is the long tube between kidney and bladder. It is bladder. It stores urine inside it. So ureter is a long tube between the kidney and bladder. And last one is urethra, from where this waste material in the form of liquid extract. Now students, we are going to discuss the function of this urinary system, how to perform. It is very clear that in your urinary system there are two kidneys that filter the waste material. As the blood travels around your body, it picks up toxin. Toxins means poisonous substances, harmful substances that is harmful or bad for your body. If these toxins remain in your body, you would become ill. So the job of kidney is to remove these toxins as the blood passes through them. These toxic substances or waste products are turned into urine and then passes to the ureter, into the bladder. Students, just like kidney, you have two ureters. These are the long tubes. In the second point, you can see that two ureters, they tube that transport the urine from the kidney to the bladder. And the last one is bladder. It stores urine until you need to go to toilet. What is the function of bladder? It stores urine. Students, some questions about this topic. Question number 1. How many main parts of urinary system have? The urinary system have four main parts: kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. Kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. Urethra is a part from where this liquid released from the body. Question number 2. What is the function of bladder in the urinary system? Bladder stores urine until you need to go to toilet. Did you know, students, although we have two kidneys, how many? 2. But you can live a normal life with one kidney. As you know that some people donate a kidney to a person who has two damaged kidneys.
Review questions and the answers are:
Students, on page number 17, some review questions of Unit 1 and the answers are: page number 17, question number 1. What is the function of following? First, vein. Vein carries blood towards the heart. Capillary. It also carries blood and make a link between vein and artery. Third, artery. Artery carries blood away from the heart. Alveoli. It exchanges the gases into lungs. Fifth, saliva. It is a liquid that makes the food soft and helps in food digestion. Sixth and last, ureter. It is a long tube which transports the urine from kidney to bladder. Students, the second question: how does the nervous system works? Nervous system works by sending messages around the body. Question number 3. How does heart function? Explain with the diagram. Now students, look at this diagram. You have to make it or draw it in your notebooks. This is the transport system of blood in the heart. V stands for vein. A means artery. This is the septum inside the heart that separates the two chambers of the heart. Right? Fourth question. What is the importance of respiratory system? How does it work? It is important for breathing. It works by taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide from the body. Fifth question. What are muscles? What role they play in the body? Muscles are body tissues. They help in the movement of body. Next question. What is skeleton? What does it do for the body? Example. Answer. Skeleton is the network of bones in the body. It provides support to the body. For example, skull bone protects the brain. Dear students, question number 7. Name the two types of joints and give example. First, ball and socket joint, for example, shoulder, and hinge joint that is present in the knee, for example, knee. Question number 8. How does digestive system works in this body? Answer. Digestive process works by taking food and extracting energy from this food. Ninth and last question of this review exercise is, what make up urinary system? Kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. It makes the urinary system and it removes the waste material in the form of liquid. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.